kasama rin po natin ang show director na si Ma'am MJ Aspacio. Tell us a little bit about this play, Direk MJ.
Yeah, this is very timely for all of us because it talks about core values, 6 core values, which is humility, acceptance, patience, honesty, open-mindedness, and willingness to change. So it's very timely for this generation.
Bakit po itong mga qualities na ito ang napili ninyong gawa ng musical play?
Because these are like when we grow as we grow older, these are the very important values for us, especially for young, and being hapaw is what we want to instill for everybody.
Original musical po ito, ano?
This is an original musical and we have 22 original songs for this.
Nakita ko po, Direk MJ, ang dami ng cast ninyo. Paano nyo po ba sila napili? May pa-audition po ba kayo for
Yeah,
this?
it has. We have a audition, of course. This is a 1 year in the making audition. But for our main hapaw, which is Mr. Gerard Santos, it was personally handpicked by our CEO of City Dance Academy, Dr. Salve Arbo. Because we believe that Gerard resonates. Siya yung talagang simbolo ng ating kabataan for good values na tinatawag natin, na maging humble, mapagbigay, mapagpasensya. So I think ito yung hinahanap natin si Kuya Gerard. Diba? Kuya Gerard.
Nabanggit niyo po, Direk, na meron kayong 22 songs.
new songs.
Sa 22 songs po ba, makakarinig tayo ng Filipino song?
Actually, ang original talaga, hapaw, Tagalog musical. Kaya lang, dahil nga ang mga kabataan kasi ngayon maraming gusto ng English. Kaya nahirapan kami. Actually, nahirapan kami mag-translate into English. Pero we have a version na Tagalog. Yeah. Very beautiful song.
Kayo rin po ang nagsulat ng mga kanta.
Yes.
Wow! Palakpakan naman natin si Direk MJ. Gano'ng kahirap po yun? How long was the process?
Ako, ang tagal na panahon. Mga more than a year.
More than a year. So, ano na una? Yung mga kanta muna, tapos ginawa ng kwento pagkatapos?
Kwento muna.
Kwento muna.
And then, yan, kanta.